Hey you! Are you ready to transform your life and take things to the next level? Introducing Coaching for Someone Who, Volume 2. This isn't just coaching. It's a transformative on-the-go experience with 7 powerful modules designed to help you break fear barriers, build confidence, and scale your brand. Here's what's inside. Module 7. Letting go of control and focusing on what you can change. Module 8. Leadership and influence. Own your voice and lead with impact. Module 9. Mastering work-life balance without burning out. Module 10. Emotional intelligence and relationships. Connect deeper and manage emotions. Module 11. Accountability. Stay consistent and follow through on your goals. Module 12. Overcoming narcissism. Build empathy, humility, and authentic relationships. Module 13. Overcoming blocks, fears, insecurities, and self-sabotage. Break through limiting beliefs and unlock your full potential. Whether you're struggling with imposter syndrome, overwhelm, or scaling your business, this volume has what you need. You just gotta read. And listen. Ready for your breakthrough? Click the link and get started now. Oh, and wait. I got a big surprise bonus offer for you. When you grab Volume 1 or 2 of the Coaching for Someone Who digital coaching program, you'll get free access to Pocket Coach, your personal AI-powered coach. Pocket Coach offers expert life coaching and public speaking coaching with personalized tips, actionable steps, and motivational boosts right when you need them. It's like having a coach in your pocket 24/7. So if you're serious about leveling up your life and communication skills, don't miss this exclusive bonus. Tap the link in the description or bio to claim your free access to Pocket Coach, and let's get to work on your purpose.